Hey,
after the
thank you very much. One honorable. Thank you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, light, and much interesting video here on the channel. This video is about the Cubanas. Yes, still in the celebration mode. They are still celebrating the victory of one of their own, Keke Cubana, who is going for House of Rep in Anambra state, which is actually their very own state. According to him, after too many stress and struggle to win the primaries, they finally won the primaries. So actually it's time to take a chill and get the body fitted again while they go again in the upcoming election. Anyway, like I said yesterday, it's youth o'clock. It's time to support the youth. We should all try our best to support whoever we feel is the right choice in whatsoever position he's going to in Nigeria. It's time everyone just needs to participate in this election stuff. So guys, without wasting much of your time, that's what we'll be doing here in the channel. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget.
Hey, after the thank you very much. One honorable. Thank you. The water I got froze. We are good to go. One honorable. It is powerful. Big girl. I can like. This is Intercontinental, where I want to have some rest with my DGs, and two of them. Guys, we're here after the hectic primaries to go and relax, take some time off to cool down, and prepare for the next strategic meeting with our consultants. We go on from today. The election starts today. No time to waste because we are going to bring a quality representation. That is why we're here in Lagos to meet up with our consultants. It's gonna be something else. Quality representation for the North and South Federal Constituency. That's why we're here. Intercontinental Hotel. Bless you all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. God save for about.
Behind every successful man, there is always a good woman by the side. Obatozora na nyaba, Chukwu Jesi Bongwani gozie yi. Abonye kamune kunuwa, Mrs. Ebele, Iyebuo amalobi diye. Ngozi Chukwu ji gozi obi. Ufanu na bufanu si anwanyo. Makwusi jelu dem madraka o. Mana Mrs. Ebele Iyebuo amalobi diye na kwado diye ofuma. Obale gaba nilu Chukwu akosi wogi o. Onye Chukwu gozile gozi mmadụ apụghị ịkọcha ya. Ebe ọ na-egwe ananụ ya. Obi Cubana odogwu. Abalụsị akene kuru nkene. Nke ikpeazụ a iwe buru je buru na. Ndị be anyị na-egwe ananụ ya. Ọ bụ onye ka anyị na-ekwu. Eze mmụọ
Abalụsị akene kuru nkene. Nke ikpeazụ a iwe buru je buru na.